So we're at the nicest bit of Kirkstall Nature Reserve, Kirkstall Valley Nature Reserve at Leeds, and we thought like we'll go to Kirkstall Abbey and we'll have a nice walk down here, see a bit of wildlife before we go away. But if I'm honest, I'm so depressed. We've just walked basically 2 miles down a main road in Leeds to get here. In some not very desirable areas, down a path which it's just not tended at all. They could just chuck a bit of limestone down and soak some bogginess up, covered in dog shit, to get to basically the only way in which this is a nature reserve is that they haven't built on it yet. We're at the nicest bit now, so let me show it you, because you know this bit's quite nice. And that's about as good as it gets. We'll record some more in a minute and see if it gets any better. But so far it's been a write-off today, and weather's beautiful, so I'm gutted that we've decided to come here. And that's probably why it's not a nature reserve anymore.